The season is about to end and we want to get to 200k subscribers. Bafethu siyanicela, please subscribe. We are left with only 1 month. Can we do it? I believe we can.
Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mackenzie 0, Orlando Pirates 3. I'm joined by Utunyam Kichimi. Stivo. Yeah, Stivo. Yeah. Actually, was the racist taught. Yes. Sundowns is a million 7. Yes. Sishaye 3. Yes. Only 3. Yes. Besfuna 3. Yes. Angeke sukelebo with banking. Mahala nje Stivo. Steve ngiyakutshela mina ngithi yithi But move. Chiefs is feeding it. Yes. This guy in the league is yes. League license zethu. Yes. No matter what is Steve. Yes. Nami Sundowns ngazami zameni. Yeah. Angeke ibuye Steve. This is our cup. Yes. This is our league. Yes. So hamba nayo le Steve. Yeah. No matter what is Steve. Yeah. Ngeke babuye. Noma kunyukela noma kwenyuka ukhololwa mengi sonyuka nayo ibhangania Steve sonyuka nayo Steve omethe how many years singathathi ligi inkinga yabo ngile bamoshile thina besifuna lama cup lamancane nje besingana ndaba neligi bakhuluma kakhulu babhizinyanyanyanyanye bathani ithathi ligi sathi thina manifuna sithathe ligi sonkhomba naku mayisithethe ligi siyayithatha iligi mayi ngenkani ngendlovu yengena bathenga uRicardo Goss mfana loyo ubuya kuphi Sundowns mfana loyo Steve khani barile bona player ile ko loanu ayiralukile bona why Goss aralukile today kari bamurakile emalum bachazele malum
Stivo siqalele DDC senza umsebenzi Swina 2-0 bafana bahluleka ipenalty ngoba vele Pitori isibazamela na so hayi umsebenzi uhambe kahle njengoba siqale DDC sichubekile nala league wahamba kahle vele besingeke suke emalahleni extension branch sidlala jwale kena kinako rawo jwale kena kinako rawo kaufela morena tose reformane matona kaufela morena kaufela morena tose reformane Stella khamba kahle Mpumalanga Stella khamba Stella khamba 15 million with bank. Thank you, man. Yeah.